Traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another live trading explanation video of those things which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So join the Facebook group. So I have done a call, and you see it was really close. Yes, how close it was. Yes, and I missed the entry point. You see only a little bit above this level. So let me see if I can show you another trade. I would do a call now. Yes, a little bit lower. If price goes a little bit lower, I will enter into a call. Yes, another 4 seconds. Yes, lower. Okay, I will enter into a call because we have a round number there. Yes, so I'm pretty much sure that price will continue to going up. This round number here, the 1.177, yes, is this where I 1.1775, yes. That was the reason why I entered here into a call, because this level here is exactly on the same level like this, and that's the reason why I entered into a call here. So let's see. Okay, this one here. So, and yes, and this kind one stopped out here, stopped exactly on this level. So I will do a put now. Yes, I tried to get a better entry point, but this was not possible. But anyway, I'm pretty much sure that this level will hold as resistance, because we are getting here, the trend is stalling. Yes, and that's the reason why I'm entering here into a put. You see here I'm drawing the support and resistance levels for you, so you understand this better. Okay, so, and you see it will be in the money too. And after this, let me see what's going on here. We are far away. I will do a reversal here now. I'm doing another put. So, and with this trade, I will stop this video. And yes, and that was it already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, let me know this by dropping a line in the comment section. So I would say, stay safe and bye-bye. So let's see how this finished. Okay, so I have said everything, so I would say bye-bye.